Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about a coin you might have in your pocket right now. The US 5-cent coin, also called the Jefferson Nickel, from 2006 to 2025. Most people think modern coins are just small change, but some of these nickels can reach values around $62 depending on condition and rarity. Let's find out why. Here are the basics of this coin. Country, United States of America. Value, 5 cents. Metal, 75% copper, 25% nickel. Weight, 5 grams. Diameter, 21.2 millimeters. Front, obverse portrait of Thomas Jefferson, modern updated design. Back, reverse Monticello building. Starting in 2006, the Jefferson portrait changed to a more forward-facing design, giving the coin a modern look. From 2006 onward, the U.S. Mint focused on modern production techniques and improved coin detail. These coins represent the digital age, modern U.S. economy, new minting technology, high-speed production. Even though they're common, high-quality examples are harder to find than people think. Look on the front of the coin near Jefferson's shoulder. You'll see P. Philadelphia, D. Denver, S. San Francisco, proof coins. San Francisco proof coins are specially made for collectors and usually have mirror-like surfaces. Not every nickel is valuable. Condition is everything. A coin can reach around $62 when 1. Mint state condition, MS 67 or higher. Almost perfect, no marks, strong shine. 2. Proof coins, S mint mark. Mirror finish, sharp detail. 3. Error coins, off-center strikes, double die errors, misaligned designs. 4. Low population and high-grade some years are common, but perfect condition coins are rare. Here's what to look for. Bright, original luster. No scratches on Jefferson's face. Clear Monticello steps. No discoloration. Strong letters and numbers. If your coin looks brand new even under light, it could have collector value. Modern coins are becoming more popular with younger collectors because they're affordable and easy to find. High-grade modern nickels are actually harder to get than old worn coins, which is why prices can rise. So don't ignore modern coins. That nickel from 2006 to 2025 might look ordinary, but in top condition, it could surprise you. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, comment the year of your nickel, and subscribe for more U.S. coin value guides. Your spare change could be treasure.